But we're back, and this is a pair that I thought was absolutely stunning. So I've been going back to the older silhouettes, mainly 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, and 7s. I do have a pair of 8s. We'll go over those eventually. I've been having for a little bit. Just haven't got around to the video. I've got some 9s. When those steel 10s roll around, I'll grab those. But I'm mainly a 12 through 14 guy. I like 11s. I got a bunch of 1s. Stuff like that, but been really going back to these older silhouettes. And these Burgundy 5 SEs, man, they just looked too good. So let's check them out. Let's kick it. So as you can see, there's a nice little messed up spot in the lid of my box, but it does have that burgundy color splatter print. I got them from Soul Steels. I had to get them in a size 8 because I did get them for a really, really good price. Jordan Retros tend to run slightly larger. My true size is 8.5. My toe is going to be close to the end on these, but I have others where I can wear an 8 no problem. I do have another pair of 5s that is an 8, so I knew confidently going into it it'd be fine. So it's not like they're going to be too snug or too small. I would have preferred an 8.5, but I did get a really good price on them. They are dead stock, brand new, so I just had to do it. So let's bust this open, check them out, and let's grab this one right here. Woo. Look at this dyed suede right here. Focus for me. There we go. Icy sole, deep, rich burgundy. Look at that. Got this gray with the splatter print. It's actually not, it's still pretty dense. Visible air sole unit. You have an encapsulated air sole unit in the forefoot. Let's look at the cut. So, does look, no die cuts, but looks like a decent cut of suede here. That looks like real suede. Oh yeah. Nice and buttery. I've heard these bleed a bit though, so got to be wary of that. That dark gray in the laces. I will be taking this lace lock off. We have the 3M tongue with the burgundy embroidered Jumpman, looking good. Nice and plush. In the collar, Air Jordan, thick and plush. I'm sure this will yellow over time like they typically do the translucent. So I don't know how well it'll gonna look since there's gray in the silhouette, but you know, it is what it is. They do that over time. It's just part of having the translucent soles. Get that to focus a little bit better. There we go. Look at that embroidery work with the contrast stitching going around. Man, these look really, really good. Look really, really good. I'm going to pull the lace lock off now. So we're going to loosen these bad boys up. We're going to get this insole out and see what kind of insole we're working with here. Pull the paper out. So I definitely want to check it out. I'm hoping it's at least Dream Cell. It is Dream Cell. We have a gray insole. We got some cardboard here, paper, gray insole, Dream Cell, so a little fluffy, squishy. Have a little bit of comfort. You can see the Strobel on the inside. Let's see if I can feel that. It's pretty stiff. Whatever's underneath, which is typically like a TPU, I believe, underneath the Strobel. I believe. Don't quote me on that completely. Get that back in. Clear mesh on the tongue though. Man, it looks good when they're brand new dead stock, I gotta say. Gonna yellow over time. And these are really, really nice. You know, these are gonna look really good with some light wash jeans. I'm wearing some dark camo, gray and black camo joggers, which I think are gonna look totally fine in the on feet, which I can't wait to do. But I think in the long run, this is more of a fall color scheme. When fall rolls around, be rocking these with some light wash jeans. Let's get to this on foot.